Did my heart love till now? Is this Romeo or Juliet? It was actually Romeo talking about the beauty of Juliet, because Verona is the place where Shakespeare actually set the world's most famous ever love story. And we are on the Verona side of the Garda DOC. This area is like a beautiful amphitheater, just like the amphitheater of Verona Center, with a beautiful Adige river flowing gently and elegantly, with the beautiful bridges. I mean, Verona is the city of lovers. And right now I'm having a lovely glass of Pinot Grigio. I'm picturing myself on Torri del Benaco, Lazise, the beautiful little Riva village, which is one of Europe's most famous windsurf centers. You know, right now with these lovely peach and white flowers, Pinot Grigio, the only thing is missing is some risotto, which is what Verona is also famous for.
Did I hear you talking about risotto?
Oh my gosh, you did! How beautiful! You made risotto? What is it exactly?
Is Piave cheese, orange and artichokes risotto, fried artichokes.
Oh my God, sounds like heaven. Although artichokes are very difficult for wine because they can leave a metallic taste, and oranges, well, let's see, can I try it?
Please.
Proviamo, allora. It actually works. Amazing. Sarah is an awesome chef. The reason why it works is because the sweetness of the orange gets together with the funny artichoke taste, and the sweetness of this Pinot Grigio is a match made in heaven, just like Romeo and Juliet, I guess. And for more tricks, tips, and love, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and drink some good wines. Capito? Capito? Arrivederci.